Hello everyone, welcome to a little Scentsy unboxing. Well, unbagging really. This is from the lovely Tricia Smith's Scents. What shall I open first? Yes, this was a Halloween mystery bag, and in it, lovely bag. Sadly a tad ripped. We have the vanilla cinnamon maple scent circle. You see that? Smells really nice. We have apple and cinnamon sticks. There we go. I've already had this open actually because I couldn't wait to have a sniff of it. Look at that. That is gorgeous, and that is going in the warmer next, actually. Now, Tricia being Tricia, she doesn't just do that, of course. She puts a little goodie bag in as well. So, we have 2 Make-A-Wish bracelets. Oh, make sure there's no glare on that. There we go. Beautiful. And a little bag of goodies. So, orange being the theme. We have an orange Kit Kat. We have some Fanta Mentos. I love these. Shouldn't really eat them, but hey ho, we're only here once. And what I'm guessing are little balls of chocolate. Got one here, so just we'll do an unwrapping, shall we? I've hardly any nails at the minute, as you can see. And there's probably an easier way to open them, but I haven't figured that out. Yeah. And we have, yes, we have a little ball of chocolate. Lovely, Tricia. Thank you so much. So, hope you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. It's free, you know, and it helps out the channel. So, I'll see you soon. Bye now.